Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to resolve WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen problem. So, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If app notifications are disabled, you will not receive notifications for the incoming messages from the app. To enable this, go to the settings, then select the apps or applications. Choose WhatsApp from the list of all the installed apps. Tap on the notifications or manage notifications. You can activate the notifications by tapping on the switch for show or allow notifications. WhatsApp app cache can occasionally cause issues with performance. Once you should clear cache and data of the app to fix it. For this, you have to 1. Navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the WhatsApp. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. The next method you can try to fix WhatsApp notification problem is to disable Do Not Disturb mode on Android. For this, go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration. Check if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled or not. If it's enabled, click on it to disable it. Soft resetting your phone should resolve any temporary issues that may have resulted in the WhatsApp notification problem. So, give a fresh start to your phone and see if that can fix the problem. To do this, unlock the screen of your phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause this problem. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. For this, open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Update section, find the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the WhatsApp app to check for the issue. You are facing any Android app-related issues, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair tool. Besides, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving WhatsApp notification not showing problem on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.